Holy shit.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Michael Torres and this is my partner Vanessa Adams.
Hey guys!
And we are Escape Overlanders. Before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out and a big thank you to Talos Expedition Gear located in Boise, Idaho. As you can tell, they're letting us use their awesome shop, which carry awesome brands from 23-0, Thule, Restop, Max Trax, Omnia ovens from Sweden, and Overland Solar straight from Boise, Idaho. They're also their own fab shop, which they make awesome stuff like kitchen galleys, which include hermetic fridges, their own stoves, sinks, even the Red Arc system. So make sure you guys check them out, located in Boise, Idaho.
The views that I got when I was driving in Utah were incredible.
Let me tell you about how much gas we spent. Woo! That wasn't too bad. It was all worth it, right?
It was worth it.
Do you remember how excited I was when we first got to Zion?
So we did take a shuttle from Springdale all the way up to Zion National Park. So here we are getting on the shuttle.
Just look at these mountains though. They're just huge. Incredible. Stop 6. So if you guys go to Zion and you guys want to do Angel's Landing, make sure you guys get off on stop 6.
This is the beginning of our hike. Right in the beginning, it's already uphill from here.
Look at you getting it. Yeah.
Look at you getting it. Yeah.
These views are amazing.
Just incredible.
I feel like the video just doesn't justify it.
There was a part that we got to where there was a sign that said owls were here and we had to be pretty quiet to not disturb them.
I remember that part too. It was nice and cool because the sun just never hits that part, so you could actually touch the rock and it was cold, even though it was probably what, like close to the 80s.
Yeah, it was warm over there.
Angel's Landing, 13 people, it's no joke. Please be responsible when you guys go to this hike. This part right here is awesome. So we're a little nervous just walking by, and then we see this big 6-foot
vulture. We saw this vulture fly by, and the girl in front of us there, she got it totally on video. And it was just, it's crazy. You can hear it flying in the wind, like the feathers, you can hear them in the wind.
You get that?
We're lucky enough to see another one go by.
There's probably like 3 or 4 of them that flew by. I wish this video could show it better. Those things are huge.
What's funny was that we're already so high up and I'm already all nervous, and I see that big bird come out and I'm like, what the? There's dinosaurs up here. What's going on? I was a little struck by seeing how big that bird was up there.
You can see how skinny the trail's getting.
Yeah, this trail is amazing. The views are amazing, but the drops are insane. So, like I mentioned earlier, just be safe going up. Don't be afraid to use both hands, which is how I'm doing right now. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So, yep.
I remember some parts of the trail you couldn't pass each other, so this part Michael turned around and told me to grab the bar, and I'm terrified because just on my right there is the edge of the cliff, so I had to hold on to it for dear life while these people passed me.
Yeah, I remember looking back at her and I was like, oh my gosh, don't even breathe, because literally like less than a foot away there was just a big drop. So I'm glad we made it out alive.
You can see right here, there's parts where we even have to use both hands to just climb straight up it.
Yeah, this trail is no joke. There's definitely no room to play around, but when you make it to the top, oh, best feeling ever.
And I see some people clear over there on the end, and I said, no, we're not to the top till we get to where those people are, so let's go.
We made it. Our little buddy. We got Vanessa.
Living the life. Look at those views.
Oh, you talking about that one?
Mm-hmm, that view. We have to begin our descent down now, and I mean, you can just see how steep this was climbing up.
So definitely coming down, you get that better view, and you also see how steep it really is.
Some parts of it going down, I had to turn around and climb backwards, and I'm thinking to myself, did I really climb up this and I gotta climb back down?
Yeah, this is why I put her up front. Like, you test it, you tell me how it goes.
This is another part where it was only a single person, so I dumbly crouched down and hugged on some rocks there, and you can see it was a drop off right to my left and let the people cross.
Yeah, I looked back at her and I was like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Bad spot to stop, but I'm glad everybody was safe. And you can just see, look at my legs just bent, my ankles, you can just see how steep it was.
We made it past the chains and it was time to finish the hike, and we kind of jogged past some people that passed them, and we just never stopped jogging, so we just jogged the whole way down.
Yep, I was behind her the whole time thinking, what are you doing? Slow down, but I just had to keep up. You know, when you do something cool like that, there's no better way to celebrate than with ice cream.
Mm-hmm, we definitely celebrated with some ice cream.
How's the ice cream?
So good. I'm over here!
Oh, we still have to do an outro. You got this one?
I got it. Well, there you have it. There's our hike of Angel's Landing. If you plan to or you have hiked Angel's Landing, go ahead and comment below. Tell us about your experience, and don't forget to be safe out there. Like and subscribe, and continue to follow us on our journey of Escaped Overlanders. I'm gonna take a nap now.